Real numbers. Highest common factor of the given decimals. Objective. Highest common factor of the given decimals. Recall that the HCF of two positive integers a and b is the largest positive integer d that divides both a and b. Let us find the steps for finding the highest common factor of decimals. Steps for finding HCF of given decimals. Step 1. Convert each of the given decimals to like decimals. That is, equate the number of places in all the numbers by using zeros whenever required. Step 2. Remove the decimal point and find the HCF as usual. That is, by considering these numbers as integers by removing the decimals, find the HCF of these numbers. Step 3. Put the decimal in the resultant value as many places before the rightmost digit as that of in every equated number. Now, let us find the highest common factor of the given decimals using the above steps with illustration. Illustration 1. Find the highest common factor of the given decimals 0.48, 0.72 and 0.108. Solution. From the given decimals, we observe that the maximum number of places after the decimal is 3. So, as step 1, let us equate the number of places to 3 in all the numbers by using zeros whenever required. Then, we get 0.48 is equal to 0.480, 0.72 is equal to 0.720, 0.108 is equal to 0.108. Step 2. Now let us consider the decimals as integers by removing the decimals. 0.480 implies 480. 0.720 implies 720. 0.108 implies 108. To find the HCF of the given decimals, let us express the integers 480, 720 and 108 as a product of primes. 480 is equal to 2 into 240, is equal to 2 into 2 into 120, is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 60, is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 30, is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 15, which is equal to 2 power 5 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. 720 is equal to 2 into 360, is equal to 2 into 2 into 180, is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 90, is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 45, is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 15, which is equal to 2 power 4 into 3 power 2 into 5 power 1. 108 is equal to 2 into 54, is equal to 2 into 2 into 27, is equal to 2 power 2 into 3 power 3. Recollect the following. HCF is equal to product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. Here we observe that 2 power 2 and 3 power 1 are the smallest powers of the common prime factors 2 and 3. Using the above, HCF of the integers is equal to 2 power 2 into 3 power 1, which is equal to 12. Therefore, highest common factor of the given integers 480, 720 and 108 equal to 12. Now let us put the decimal point in the resultant number 12, as there are a number of decimal places in the like decimals, 3 decimal place. Therefore, highest common factor of the given decimals is equal to 0.012. Summary.